What's the meaning of burdock? Burdock. Burdock.
Burdock. Burdock. Burdock refers to a plant that is commonly found in Europe, Asia, and North America. The plant has large leaves and produces purple flowers that turn into burrs with hooked bracts. These burrs are known for sticking to clothing or animal fur and can be a nuisance. However, burdock has also been used for medicinal purposes in traditional medicine for hundreds of years. It is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties and may be helpful in treating skin conditions such as acne and eczema. Additionally, it has been used as a diuretic and to promote digestion. Burdock root is often consumed as a vegetable in Asian cuisine and is considered a good source of fiber.